Junko's dream. Junko's watching TV. Wow, what's her job? She is an astronaut. She works in space. Space. I want to be an astronaut. Junko's friends want to be singers. Why don't you want to be a singer, Junko? It's fun, but I want to be an astronaut. Junko's mom is a doctor. Do you want to be a doctor, Junko? No, I want to be an astronaut. Sometimes having a dream is difficult. Astronauts are brave. Am I brave? Am I clever? I want to be an astronaut. Junko's brother is at the university. Kobe wants to be a vet. That's a good idea. That's a good job. Yes, but I want to be an astronaut. 15 years later, Junko's dad is watching TV. It's Junko. She's on TV. Junko is an astronaut. Wow, Junko's in space. Well done, Junko.